How to register a domain name with Google Domain. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can register a domain using Google Domain. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you will need to search for Google Domains. Now, previously, you could have just gone to domains.google, but since Squarespace has purchased or has got the rights for that, now you will need to head over to this website. That's domain.squarespace.com. Head over to this website. And after that, all you now need to do is search for the domain that you want to register. So let's say that I want to register for a domain that's named Lord Atticus. And after you do that, all you have to do is tap on enter. And there you can see it's now going to show you the list of available domains, and there you can see the domain is available. Now, as always, I recommend you guys to take the .com one and not the other one, but if you want to buy other as well, there are options available, and you'll also see different alternatives for your domain, such as technology, Lord Atticus, and stuff like that. So simply select the one that you want, and after you do that, you can then tap on the checkout option right here. You might have to log in after this as well. So log in into your account. You can simply log in with your Google account. It's really, really simple. And after you do that, you'll then have to select your term. So it's gonna take some time. Let it load. There we go. Now it's gonna take some time. I'll just delete this one right here. And if you want to extend your term, you can simply extend the term here as well. And then tap on save and continue. Then you'll need to type in your phone number, give it your address and all the other stuff, and then move on with this. After you give it the address, you'll have to enter your payment information. Doing that, you'll have bought your Google domain, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you can register for a Google domain. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.